Now, if you're playing Ark and suddenly you get this notification, host connection timeout, well, there are a few things that you may want to know. Now, usually this issue means that you've been disconnected from the host, so the person that's actually hosting the lobby or the world. Now, the thing with this one is it usually concerns your internet connectivity. It doesn't necessarily mean that there's a problem with your game copy, but just to be sure, the first thing that you want to do is you want to verify the integrity of the game files. So you want to open up whichever app or whichever platform or account you currently have Arc for. Like in my case, I have it on a different account, but for I have it on Steam. Now, usually for Steam accounts, you just need to go ahead over to the account or the game that you want to verify integrity for. Right click on it, click on Properties, go to the Install Files, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now, the thing with verifying integrity of game files, it will take the same amount of time that you basically download the game. So you may need to wait for a while here. So just let it run in the background and see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing that you may want to do here is you may need to check your interconnectivity. Now, like what I said before, this mostly concerns your interconnectivity. Now, sometimes your internet may be really slow or just unstable. So go and just go to Google, just type in speed test, just click on run speed test here, and just make sure you have a pre-stable interconnection. Now, the thing with this one, you need to make sure both your upload and your download speed is pretty fast. Now, if you only have your download speed fast and your upload speed quite slow, well, the problem is your unstable interconnectivity. Now, if you're sure that this is not the problem, well, there's another thing that you may want to do. Now, sometimes Arc here requires you to allow certain permissions in order for it to work properly, especially because, again, we're connecting outside, or if you're hosting your game or the world, well, you may need to allow firewall. So you want to go to search here, just type in firewall, and you want to look for something specifically that says allow an app through Windows Firewall. Or you could just type in the whole thing if you want, but this is how I do it. Now, it should open up the allowed app section. Now, in here, you want to go and just scroll down over here and look for Arc. Now, depending on what version of Arc you currently have, it might be something different. But if you do see it, what you need to do is you want to go and click on the app itself, and you want to make sure that you change the setting for it. Now, let's go ahead and click on Allow Another App. Let's cancel this one. Now, what you need to do is you want to go and just basically allow. We want to go and just change the settings if you want to. So, in this case, if Firewall or the app is not allowed, just click on the check mark here. Now, if you don't see Arc in here, you want to go and click on Allow Another App, and you want to go and click on Browse, and you want to basically look for where you have Arc installed. Now, it depends on where you have this installed, but you want to go and just go to that folder, select the .exe file, and from then on, see if that actually helped. Now, let's go and click on Add, and click on OK here to save your changes. Now, also, if you're using any VPNs or apps to basically hide your IP or protect your interconnectivity, you may need to turn that off because that actually affects your internet connectivity. It slows it down and make it inconsistent. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.